Children, welcome to second part of the video of lesson 1, Geography of Standard 6, Representation of Geographical Features. Now in this video, let's see the third feature, sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing showing the relative locations of a few chosen features of an area. It is not drawn to scale. A sketch is only a rough representation of the area. It is usually used to show people how to go from one place to another. Conventional symbols and colors are not used in sketches. So, in this feature, a sketch is a rough drawing showing the relative locations of few chosen features of an area. A sketch is not drawn to scale. It's only a rough representation of the area. It usually shows people how to go from one place to another. Conventional symbols and colors are not used in sketches. Now let's see the fourth feature, plan. A plan is a drawing that shows the horizontal section of a small area or a building. It is drawn to scale. It is useful because it tells us where exactly things are on the ground. Architects make detailed plans of buildings. This is plan of a house. A plan is a drawing that shows the horizontal section of a small area or a building. Children, to know what is a plan, go through the diagram which is given here. Do you know why a plan is useful? A plan is useful because it tells us where exactly things are on the ground, and architects make detailed plans of buildings. Now, let's see the differences between map, sketch, plan and globe. Now let's see first one, map. Map is drawn on scale, sketch is not drawn as per scale, but plan is drawn on scale and globe is not drawn as per scale. Now let's see the second difference. Map is a two-dimensional representation of Earth's surface on a flat sheet of paper. A sketch is a rough drawing based on observation and memory. A plan is detailed drawing of a small area. A globe is 3D representation of Earth's surface. Next, let's see the third difference. Conventional signs and symbols are used in maps. No symbols are used in scale, but symbols are used in plan. Symbols are not used in globe. Now let's see the fourth difference. It gives information about the large area. A map gives information about the large area. A sketch gives an idea of a location. It gives only idea of a particular location. And next comes plan. It shows a comparatively smaller area than a map. But globe cannot provide detailed information as it is smaller in size. These are the differences between a map, sketch, plan and globe. There are 4 differences given here. Then let's see the types of maps. On the basis of purpose, maps can be classified as follows. It means there are six types of maps. Number 1, wall map. Number 2, political map. Number 3, physical map. Number 4, thematic map. Number 5, topographic map. Number 6, navigational map. So let's see the first map, wall map. These maps are meant to represent large area that could be viewed at a glance. They represent natural and man-made features. They are used for display purpose in classrooms and museums. On the basis of purpose, maps are classified into 6 types. 1 is wall map. Number 2 is political map. Number 3, physical map. Number 4, thematic map. Number 5, topographical map. And 6, navigational map. Now we are going to see the first one, wall map. Wall maps are meant to represent large area that could be viewed at a glance. These maps represent natural features and man-made features. These maps are displayed in the classrooms and museums. Now let's see the second one, political map. It contains information about the boundaries of countries, states, capital cities, and districts. Political map contains information about the boundaries of countries, boundaries of states, boundaries of capital cities, and districts. Now let's see the third one, physical map. It shows the detailed picture of various landforms like mountains, plains, rivers, valleys, plateaus, lakes, etc. A physical map shows the detailed picture of various landforms like mountains, plains, rivers, valleys, plateaus, and lakes. Now let's see the fourth one, thematic map. It contains information about the specific features like climate of a particular area and the distribution of minerals, crops, soils, population, etc. So a thematic map contains information about the specific features like climate, distribution of minerals, crops, soils, and population. So let's see the Now fifth one, topographic map. It is a representation of natural and man-made features like local buildings, water bodies, roads, railway tracks, etc. It is also known as contour map. Topographical map is a representation of natural and man-made features like the local buildings, water bodies, roads, railway tracks, etc. And it is also known as contour map. The last one is navigational map. It is used by sailors and pilots. Navigational map is generally used by the sailors and pilots. So children, remaining part of the lesson will be continued in another video.